हाँ, फूलों में सज रहे हैं, फूलों में सज रहे हैं, शिरडी के साईं बाबा फूलों में सज रहे हैं, फूलों। खोल दे यार उसको भी तो। हाँ, अच्छा, तेरे होते हुए भी चुई घूमती है। ओहो, ओहो, अच्छा, चलो इधर ही बेटी, इधर आगे बैठो, देखूंगा ना जरा। तो पुत्र, आई एम, आई वाज thinking of going back, but today I felt it is better we sit out and breathe as much as you can. Okay. Om means when you do Om, like, pull yourself out. It will help you. See, your body needs two things: oxygen and water. Two main components of your body. As much you breathe, better your organs are very strong. You fill them with very minor food. They don't need food as much they need water and oxygen. And if you're stronger with that, you're strong with anything. ठीक है, चलो। Satchidanand Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki jai. Now today we have to see, Putra, how much wonderful you can do. Look at the blessings. Look at the blessings. Wow. Raghu is thinking why I'm not here. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Chalo. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Ah, Sai. पुत्र सबको चाय दे दो पहले. Give tea, have tea. Have 2 minutes break. I want to do something else. I want to share also something with you guys. We've been doing for 15 minutes Om. And I've always been wondering in myself, Ki Baba, dying 15 minutes, 108 should be coming, right? 108 should be part. But we never counted. So today Baba made me count. It is precisely in 15 minutes, 108 times happening. Automatically. He completed in 15 minutes. It is complete 108 times. Lao Putra Shriya Sabko. Is it not a blessing, Putra? See, we did not know nothing. We were just doing it. But he had programmed it accordingly. This is called complete grace of his to take care of the children who have faith in whatever he guides. Everything has a reason to do, everything has a thought. Your consciousness, your insight talks to you if you listen to it. He guides you, listen to it. दे पुत्री सबको दे। लेट एवरीबॉडी हैव। रघु चाय पिया राजा?
जी बाबा जी।
वेरी गुड। You only would have got this much tea, right?
Yeah.
Nalini doesn't give you more than that. मुझको आधा कप दे, पहले बच्चों को दे दे, फिर मैं ले लूंगा। बस पुत्र, एक बच्चा को मेरे को ग्रंथ ला दो बाबा का प्लीज, मेरा चश्मा भी। आप लोगों को कैसे लगा बाहर ओम करके नीचे बैठ के? हाँ, है ना? You feel the enjoy the energy, and I feel very happy for my babies here. All the flowers. Hey, Raghu, te raja. See.
कितना सुंदर है
ब्यूटीफुल बाबा जी। वाह,
बहुत सुंदर है बाबा जी।
जान के दिखाया राजा, है ना? थोड़ा फिर रघु सोचेगा इसीलिए। फूलों में सज रहे हैं, फूलों में सज रहे हैं, शिरडी के साईं बाबा, फूलों में सज रहे हैं, फूलों में सज रहे हैं, शिरडी के साईं बाबा, ना 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 ना, शिरडी के साईं बाबा, रा 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 टा ना 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 ना। Na 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 na. I'm just reading what is it, why Baba made us do the Atha Brishas today. So that was trying to find out. Which is the Chaturdashi today. It used to be. Ah ha 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 ha. Wow. Let's see what my Baba has today. Let's see that. श्री सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। अध्याय 4, श्री साईं बाबा का शिरडी में प्रथम आगमन। फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन बाबा केम टू शिरडी। साईं बाबा के माता पिता, उनकी जन्म और जन्म स्थान का किसी को भी ज्ञान नहीं है। इस संबंध में बहुत छानबीन की गई। बाबा से तथा अन्य लोगों से भी इस विषय में पूछताछ की गई। परंतु कोई संतोषप्रद उत्तर अथवा सूत्र हाथ ना लग सका। यथार्थ में हम लोग इस विषय में सर्वदा अनभिज्ञ हैं। नामदेव और कबीरदास जी का जन्म अन्य लोगों की भांति नहीं हुआ। वे बाल रूप में ही प्रकृति की गोद में पाए गए थे। नामदेव भागीरथी नदी के तीर पर गोनाई और कबीर भागीरथी के नीर पर तमाल को पड़े हुए मिले थे। ऐसा ही साईं बाबा के संबंध में भी था। वे शिरडी में नीम वृक्ष के तले 16 वर्ष की तरुण अवस्था में स्वयं भक्तों के कल्याणार्थ प्रकट हुए थे। उस समय भी वो पूर्ण ब्रह्म ज्ञानी प्रतीत होते थे। स्वप्न में ही उनको किसी लौकिक पदार्थ की इच्छा नहीं थी। उन्होंने माया को ठुकरा दिया था और मुक्ति उनके चरणों में लौटती थी। शिरडी ग्राम की एक वृद्ध स्त्री नाना चौपदार की माँ उनका इस प्रकार वर्णन किया है कि एक तरुण स्वस्थ फुर्तीला तथा अति रूपवान बालक सर्वप्रथम नीम वृक्ष के नीचे समाधि में लीन दिखाई पड़ा। सर्दी व गर्मी की उन्हें किंचित मात्र चिंता न थी। उन्हें अपनी अल्प आयु में ही इस प्रकार कठिन तपस्या करते देखकर लोगों को महान आश्चर्य हुआ। दिन में वह किसी से भी भेंट नहीं करते थे और रात्रि में निर्भय होकर एकांत में घूमते थे। लोग आश्चर्यचकित होकर पूछते फिरते थे कि इस युवक का कहाँ से आगमन हुआ है। इनकी बनावट आकृति इतनी सुंदर थी कि एक बार देखने मात्र से लोग आकर्षित हो जाते थे। वे सदा नीम वृक्ष के नीचे बैठे रहते थे और किसी के द्वार पर न जाते थे। यद्यपि वे उनके देखने में युवक प्रतीत होते हैं, परंतु उनका आचरण महात्माओं का सदृश था। वे त्याग और वैराग्य की साक्षात प्रतिमा थे। एक बार एक आश्चर्यजनक घटना हुई। एक भक्त को भगवान खंडोबा का संचार हुआ। लोगों ने शंका निवारण उनसे प्रश्न किया कि हे देव, कृपया बताइए कि ये भाग्यशाली पिता की संतान है और इनका आगमन कहाँ से हुआ है। भगवान खंडोबा ने एक कुदाली मंगवाई और एक निर्दिष्ट स्थान पर खोदने को कहा। जब वह स्थान पूर्ण रूप से खोदा गया तो वहां एक पत्थर के नीचे ईंट पाई गई। पत्थर को हटाते ही वहां एक द्वार दिखा जहां पर 4 दीपक जल रहे थे। उन दरवाजों का मार्ग एक गुफा में जाता जहां गौमुखी आकार की इमारत, लकड़ी के तख्ते, मालाएं आदि पड़ी हुई थी। भगवान खंडोबा के कहने लगे, इस युवक ने इस स्थान पर 12 वर्ष तपस्या की है। तब लोग युवक से प्रश्न करने लगे, परंतु उन्होंने ये कहकर बात टाल दी कि मेरे श्री गुरुदेव की पवित्र भूमि है, अतएव मेरा पूज्य स्थान है। तब लोगों ने उस दरवाजे को पूर्णतः बंद कर दिया। उस प्रकार अश्वत्थ तथा अडुम्बर के वृक्ष पवित्र माने जाते हैं। उसी प्रकार बाबा ने भी उस नीम वृक्ष को उतना ही पवित्र माना और प्रेम किया। मालसापति तथा शिरडी के अन्य भक्त इस स्थान को बाबा के गुरु के समाधि जानकर सदैव नमन किया करते हैं। वाह! One thing is very important to understand. Whatever karmas we do in this physical body, when we are in the physical body, are correlated to our sanchit karmas of future, prarabdha, which turns out into prarabdha. What is prarabdha? Though the current situation you are sitting all here is because of prarabdha. Past karmas, the good deeds you do, gets into a collaborative of karmas. It's a box of collaborations of or good, bad, all deeds. So once you put all that together, that is where, when the time turns, because see, this is what people don't realize it. We are in a circle of life and death, right? We die, we take birth. This is what in Sanatana Dharma is believed. We follow that part because we know that is how it is. So when we leave the body, we go back to our journey for accountabilities, account receivable. Account receivable tells you, oh, okay, this is what is good deed, this is the debt, this is the credit. So whatever credits to your account becomes good karmas, what is debt to your account is bad karmas. What does it mean now? It means that we have to again go through a circle of paying back that karmas till the time you have paid off all the karmas, good and bad. That is where the possibility of merging with him comes. When there's no karmic action left. So what does it mean? Is it difficult in this birth to have mukti? Forget, moksha is the next step. Mukti, freedom. It's not. So what does it take to be a free person? It takes to be all the thoughts to go away. All the desires to go away. See, everybody has a different journey. Let's put it this way. You may have a thought that I have a responsibility towards your family. Yes, you have. You are blessed with the family. Yes, you are. Not everybody is here to become Gautam Buddha. Not everybody has to become Mahavir, right? So it's a different part. But we still have come in a human form. We still love God. We still have that faith. It means we have to work harder to be closer to Him. What does it mean? Do you see some petals falling down? Right? See some roses dying on the branch itself? Right? Some are about to die, some are dying, some are. Nobody knows which one of this will be plugged and given to him. Nobody knows. It may be randomly, anybody could have come and taken given. Like this morning, whatever the flowers we bought for Lord Shiva, nobody knew, right? For Ganpati we got, nobody knows. Why I'm saying this is that is all karmic actions. Baba said very clearly in the Sai Sacharita that for last how many births he's been coming and going as a responsibility of certain form of a guru. He would have been coming in different parts. Now, what does it mean also? It means that the supreme masters, all of them are into the same boat. They're not two different people. The supreme energy works in collaborative effort. That maybe Deepak, you have to go there, do your job and come back. Rakesh, you need to go there and come back. The supremes they have you. There are a lot of places, Puत्र. You know how we say Ram Dham, Krishna Dham, different places to go by. It's all stations. Coming back to this is that Baba laid a stone under the ground where he sat and did tapasya. What does it mean? That at the age when he came there, he was already a tapasvi. He was already virak. He was already free. He had no desires. He has nothing to do. He was just having one vastra on his body and he would roam around with that. What does it mean again? When you are elevated, when you rise from the ashes apart, it takes you to the next level, Raja. It takes you to the next level. It is your call whether you may like it or you may not like it. You may understand it, you may not understand it. What do we need to do, Raja? What do we need to do? On a day-to-day basis, we talked about it before and we'll talk about it again today. It needs one step forward. Every day, one step. Closer to God, one step. What do we do taking that one step? You know, all of you did beautiful Om today. Amazing. It was amazing. Now, the chanting of Om, what you did today, all of you brought that energies together and Baba brought you all outside to sit and do it. Why? That you and the environment get blessed. Coming back to Baba's chapter, he very clearly defines one thing, Bhakta. Without hard work, without giving yourself, you're not gaining anything. If there is no hardship, you're not getting anything. Hardships are part of life. Getting connected to Bhagavan is also hard. You have to work hard. You really have to go through it. You have to overcome the challenges and obstacles which actually hold you to get connected to Him, to go forward to with Him. Like a child would say, I get a lot of thoughts when I do that. That is part. That is what you need to overcome. I get distracted. That is what you need to overcome. Oh, I was pulled by my daily responsibilities. You have to abide by your responsibilities, but make sure you internally are connected and moving forward on a day-to-day basis. Why? I think one day I was talking to Som and we were discussing this. That the environment around us sometimes will try to pull you down. The discussions, like yesterday you were mentioning about discussion, that discussion will try to pull you down. You don't have to let yourself pull down, because that is nothing to do. Your ears are hearing, listen and let it go. Unwanted, let it go. Just focus on one thing, that I have a limited time. This is not a rechargeable card. This is prepaid, done. You cannot add anything to it. Every single day, the value of that what do you call your data is decreasing. What does it mean more? That if you use it more towards whatever you want to, it's running out. Either you use it towards the right consumables of your time, which you give you a sense of getting something, earning something. If you cannot earn anything after data time, you have lost that period of time. Nothing is coming without pain, Raja. Nothing is coming without pain. Take it for guarantee. You have to be super blessed, something to come and fall at your feet. He's sitting behind you, Danny, ask him. Day-to-day life activities, how difficult it is, how challenging it is, like how planning a a beautiful garanda is like a home, right, to flourish. But can he really control the time? Can he really change anything except day-to-day activity? Go, we will get through. Hardships has to come, has to do, has to go, has to spend. But where you spend is your choice. Where you spend your time is your call. Whom you give your importance to your thoughts is your call. Whom do you think is going to lift you up is your call. It is nobody else, mera bacha. Nobody. You can talk about anything to anybody. The whole world is open. Pick up a phone, go to WhatsApp, type a message, and 36 people will reply. Put a post on Facebook, 100 and some million people may like it. But is that what you're looking for? If you're putting something, put something which he may like it. Don't wait for the world to reply back to you, to connect to you and tell you what to do. You connect to him and let him come and tell you, I love you, my child. Wait for that moment. Now, it doesn't come into your ear and tell you, I love you, but you will start feeling it, that there are things are happening around you, which you thought it will be difficult. He's facilitating that for you. He's making it happen for you. He's working for you. You will feel it. Every split second, you will feel it, that he's working for you. You just had a thought, I want to do this, and things that happened. Why? Because you think of him and he will think of you. You breathe for him and he will leave everything for you. But you have to come out with that. Please don't say that, families are blessed to have around. Lift your families along with you. Help them also, guide them also, support them also. Tell them the truth is not me, the truth is him. We all have to work hard. Yes, we have to sustain, we have to earn, but we have to do a bigger earning also. Bigger earning is very important, Raja. Something which is not going to your bank account, but it is directly being deposited to your account. It's a direct deposit. It's a clear direct deposit. And the beauty of this direct deposited, the moment it starts coming into your account, you never know when you will need that good deed to help you in future. You never know how many people, your children, your parents, everybody gets an opportunity of that. Their good deeds. Everybody. If you plant anything, you may not be able to enjoy the fruit, but somebody will enjoy because you did a good plantation. You planted some trees, fruits, flowers, vegetable, whatever. Whatever you need to plant something good. And don't expect anything to come to you. Let it to be anything to your generation in future to have it, but something good. And what will that be? Huh? Ready, Shay? Huh? Chalo. Let's go on a train now. I'll take you to a train. It's a wonderful train, huh? Super fast, huh? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। 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 ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेव। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। 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 Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Om Namo Bhagavate Sudevaya. मेरे दाता, मेरे साई, मेरे दाता. Putra, I'll give you, I'll share with you something. I want to show all of you. On screen can see, but you cannot see. Somebody's here, right? So, thanks so much to Sneh Butje. So today, when I was coming outside, I told Baba that, and then I told you guys today we'll have a different time, right? What Baba did today was, I said, Om, and we'll do. And the moment I saw Kanhaiya there, and I said, wow, our next program is to do 108 Om Namo Bhagavate. He has come before. What inspired Sneh to change that, bring that, do that, we don't know. For last few, she was not able to put. Today she came and Baba planned that we will do 100 and time. And no, we don't know this. You have to understand this. You have to understand this. He confirmed his presence. He confirmed, I know what you're going to do. I'm there with you. You may like it, you may not like it, you may believe it, you may not believe it. It's your call. But for me, that inside what was there, I said sometime back, right? We said that, right? He makes it happen. He makes it happen. He facilitates that. He gives you that. He confirms that. And he confirmed again today. You are going to call me. I'm before my name. I'm there with you. I'm there with you before you call me also. Why? Because I know you're thinking of me. I know you really want me. I know you think that if I will come, the things will change. I will come. Not when you start calling me. I'm coming before you call me. I love you more than you love me, is what is the confirmation. I love you more than you love me. But your thoughts have to be towards me for me to feel that yes, I am there. तुम अपना सर्वस्त्र मुझे दे दो, मैं अपना सर्वस्त्र तुम्हें दे दूंगा. You give me your everything, I'll give you my everything. तुम मुझे अपना लो, मैं तुम्हें अपना लूंगा. तुम मुझ में खो जाओ, मैं तुम में खो जाऊंगा. तुम मेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दो, मैं तेरे लिए सब कुछ छोड़ दूंगा. तुम मेरे हो जाओ, मैं तुम्हारा हो जाऊंगा. तुम एक बार बुला कर तो देखो, तेरे दिल में बस जाऊंगा. एक बार खिला कर तो देखो, कभी जीवन में अगर मुड़ कर देखना पड़ जाए तो मुझे बताना. एक बार हाथ बढ़ा कर तो देखो, और हाथ कभी छोड़ दूं तो बता देना. पुत्र, कोई भी चीज, nothing in this life is going to come easy. It is Kali Yuga. The path has been laid easy, but that does not mean there is nothing hard work to be done. The hard work has to be done. Nothing is coming. You think your pain is just for you? No. The purpose of the pain is not that it is purpose of the pain of testing you. How much can you bear it and still make it? It's a way validation. It's a different way. All that he does He tries to test you and pin you at every single second to know how much can you take it, how much can you do it, what is the intensity of love you carry for me. एक काम करते ना, हाँ करे करे क्या करे करते हैं. राम 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 हम राम 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 राम. श्री सच्चिदानंद सतगुरु साईनाथ. क्या किया पुत्र हमने, क्या किया हमने, क्या किया पुत्र. एक बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग है पुत्र, बहुत दिन हो गए ना नहीं सुना हमने. हाँ आज एक बहुत पुराना सॉन्ग है. आजा के इंतजार है, जाने को है बाहर भी, तेरे बगैर जिंदगी, तेरे बगैर जिंदगी दर्द बन के रह गई. जाने को है बाहर भी, यानी कि जीवन की घंटी कब बजने वाली हमें नहीं पता. तेरे बिना दर्द ही दर्द है, तू है तो सुख ही सुख है. कि आजा के इंतजार है, जाने को है बाहर भी, तेरे बगैर जिंदगी दर्द बन के रह गई. वो है ना, तू नहीं तो ये बहार क्या बहार है, तू नहीं तो दिल को तेरा इंतजार, कि तेरा इंतजार है, कि तेरा इंतजार है. दिल तड़प तड़प के कह रहा है आ भी जा, कि हमसे आंख ना चुरा, तुझे कसम है आ भी जा, तुझे कसम है आ भी जा. और क्या चाहते हैं पुत्र, और क्या चाहिए, और
Baba
क्या.
ji,
जी पुत्र.
we have Harish ji amongst us. He sings very well.
अरे
एक भजन हो जाए.
हाँ जरूर जरूर.
Harish ji, please, can you share a bhajan with us? I'm sure he will. He's always ready to sing. Maybe he's just fixing himself. Harish ji, are you there?
हाँ ही इज देयर. पुत्र क्या होता है, कभी कभी अमृत पाने के लिए मंथन करना पड़ता है। आप सोचो कि आपने ऐसे कहा हरीश जी को, तो थोड़ा सा तो करेंगे ना।
नहीं जी, कुछ कर नहीं रहा हूँ मैं, बस अभी क्या नींद से अभी उठा, वही सोच रहा था काम की, नींद से अभी उठा हूँ एकदम अभी। चलो
प्रभु
एक बजे
श्री
जा रहा हूँ।
हरि,
We'll give you
प्रभु
5
श्री
minutes.
हरि, प्रभु
नो नो
श्री हरि
नो
जब
नो नो,
जागे तभी तो आनंद है।
बस
अगर
मैं गा
श्री
रहा
हरि
हूँ,
जागेंगे नहीं तो हमें कुछ मिलेगा नहीं।
अब भी गा रहा हूँ, अब भी गा रहा हूँ, एक मिनट दिखाई दो।
See, I told you he's ever ready. Thank you, Harish.
नो प्रॉब्लम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम, बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो राम
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 राम राम,
बोलो
आह,
राम राम राम,
राम
बोलो
बोलो राम राम राम।
के सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम, बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम, बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। माखन ब्रिज में एक चुरावे, एक बैर भीलन के खावे। माखन ब्रिज में एक चुरावे, बैर
भिलनी
भीलन
के
के खावे। प्रेम भाव से भरे अनोखे, प्रेम भाव से भरे अनोखे, दोनों के है काम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। तो जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम, बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। एक कंस पापी को मारे, एक दुष्ट रावण संघारे। एक कंस पापी को मारे, एक दुष्ट रावण संघारे। दोनों दीन के दुख हरत है, दोनों दीन के दुख हरत है, दोनों बलि के धाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। एक राधिका के संग राजे, एक जानकी संग विराजे। एक राधिका के संग राजे, एक जानकी संग विराजे। चाहे सीता राम कहो या, चाहे रीता राम कहो या, बोलो राधे श्याम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। तो जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम, बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम, बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। तो जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम, बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम, बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। धन्यवाद जी, धन्यवाद।
इसका धन्यवाद प्रभु। हाँ प्रभु,
अब
आप स्वयं आपने अपना नाम रखा हरीश। हाँ,
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार।
प्रभु हम आभारी तो हम हुए ना आपके।
आप बारीक आगे साहब, आपने हमको मेरे को आपके साथ मिलने का मौका मिला, यही हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है साहब।
आप तो स्वयं हर की ईश हैं।
अरे बाप रे,
जो हर की ईश है वो कृपा करेंगे, हम कहाँ कृपा कर सकते हैं।
अरे बाप रे, मैं तो अभी मेरे को कनाडा आना पड़ेगा लगता है आपसे मिलने के लिए।
अरे प्रभु, मिट्टी से मिलने का कोई अर्थ ही नहीं है, कोई अर्थ ही नहीं है। जो स्वयं हरि के हैं उनसे मिलने का सौभाग्य हमें चाहिए। मिट्टी से मिलने का क्या सौभाग्य है।
अभी तो मैंने आपको पहले ही धन्यवाद बोल दिया, आपको पहले, इसलिए मैंने पहले ही धन्यवाद बोल दिया।
प्रभु ये तो श्री हरि का काम ही यही है कि मुझे बुलाने से पहले मैं स्वयं आ जाता हूँ। बताओ क्या करोगे।
हाँ बोलिए।
हाँ,
We welcome you, Babaji, anytime.
एक पुत्री, ये तो बाबा जाने कब कहाँ कैसे क्या करेगा पता नहीं, कुछ नहीं जानता। कब तक की श्वास देगा ये भी नहीं जानता, किस घड़ी क्या कराएगा कुछ नहीं जानता। हाँ, पर आप सबसे प्रेम का सौभाग्य देता है, यही बहुत बड़ी बात है। आप सबके साथ नाम सिमरन की देता है, बहुत बड़ी कृपा करता है। बुलाने से पहले स्वयं आ जाता है, यही बड़ा सौभाग्य है, बहुत सौभाग्य है। हमें तो खुद को नहीं पता कि कब तक है तेरे नाम की रेखा, कब चले जाएं किसने है देखा। किसी को कुछ नहीं पता, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता। पुत्र, मैं आप सबसे बहुत विनती करता हूँ कि प्लीज प्रयास करें, हर दिन एक कदम परमात्मा की ओर, सिर्फ एक कदम, सिर्फ एक कदम एवरी डे। इस सबके साथ मैं आपसे इजाजत लेता हूँ। तैयारी करते हैं और शुरू करें पुत्र। हाँ? लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। दाता दाता आभार आप सबका। साईं साईं।